Hey there, Pulte fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are showcasing the Yorkshire floor plan by Pulte. This particular floor plan is over here in Verdana Village in Estero, Florida. It's a 5-bedroom home starting at around 3,400 square foot and up. Pulte is a semi-custom builder, so they do give you a few different structural options to configure the home in the best way possible for your needs. Let's run inside and take a look at this amazing floor plan by Pulte. So as soon as we walk inside the front door here, you've got a nice entry space. To the right is going to be one of your guest bedrooms here. Nice big windows allowing for plenty of natural light. And it's an ensuite setup, so you get your own full bath and walk-in style closet right off the bath here. Now coming back out into the entry space here, directly across from the guest bedroom, you have your access to your garage right here. And then you have this flex room here showcased as a study. Now coming back out to the main area, and kind of directly across from the first study, you have this other flex space here as well. So lots of space and utilization to customize the way that you want to do it. And to my left, that's the staircase leading upstairs to the bedrooms. Let's run and take a look at these real quick. So coming up the stairwell, we're going to start directly to my right. Here's the second guest bedroom here. With a walk-in style closet as well. You've got a guest bath with a combination tub and shower. Here's your laundry room with your full-size washer and dryer and utility sink. And we've got guest bedroom number 3 right here. Again, with your walk-in style closet. Guest bedroom number 4. And then we have the master suite right over here. Really nice sized master. Huge closet. And beautifully done master bath with a dual sink. The enclosed water closet, and really nice sized shower here. Now coming back out next to the master, this home offers a really nice bonus room here. So huge space for additional family fun. Now let's head downstairs and finish off this home by showcasing you the main living space as well as the kitchen area. So coming down from the stairs and directly to our left, we're going to come across your main living room here. And then your really nice open kitchen here. Beautifully laid out kitchen here showcasing the great room and overlooking the dining room and living spaces here. And then last but not least, we have the outdoor living space. Really nice size under truss lanai here, overlooking the beautiful pool and spa package that this home has to offer. All right, folks, so if you are interested in the Yorkshire floor plan, you can reach us at the contact information below. We'll be happy to help you find your piece of paradise here in Florida. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property Group, and we appreciate you guys watching.